Today we're going to be going through how to reconstitute and do the dosage calculation in order to mix ampicillin in the NICU. Of course, the first line is always going to be to have the pharmacist come mix it in NICU, but if they are unavailable, you will be mixing your own ampicillin to give so that we can give it within the 60-minute deadline. The order sentence to figure out your reconstituted amp volume is this first part here. We have a badge buddy. This is that part there. So you start with your order, which is going to be 190 milligrams. And this is your volume, or your dosage, your concentration of the reconstituted ampicillin. And that's going to be 250 milligrams of ampicillin per every 1 milliliter. You're going to multiply across the top and divide across anything on the bottom. So this is going to be 190 divided by 250. The milligrams cross out, and you'll be left with milliliters. So 190 divided by 250 in your calculator gives you 0.76 milliliters. So you're in this box now. You now need to figure out how much normal saline you need to add to the reconstituted ampicillin to get your total volume of 5 milliliters. So you'll do that by starting with 5 milliliters minus 0.76 milliliters of ampicillin, and that will give you a volume of 4.24 milliliters of normal saline. These two volumes should equal to 5. So in order to double check that, make sure that we have done our dosage calculation correctly, we're going to add 4.24 milliliters plus 0.76 milliliters. And that should give you a grand total of 5 milliliters. So on the batch buddy that everybody's going to be getting, you can use a dry erase marker, so you can put your order directly here. So 190, we'll multiply across the top, divide across the bottom. You'll write your answer here, which would have been the 0.76. The blue goes to the blue. So 5 milliliters minus the 0.76, and that will give you a volume of normal saline. So blue volume, pink volume added together gives you a purple volume of 5 milliliters. Always have the dosage calculation verified by a second nurse independently. They need to do the work themselves, not just look at your work. And if y'all have the same answer, then you're okay to give the medicine.